In today's video, we will be sharing with you the delicious 3-ingredient Magic Meltdown cookies. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 14 ounces of condensed milk, 1 stick of room temperature butter, and 2.5 cups of cornstarch. Empty out the condensed milk into a bowl. Add in the butter and mix until there's no lumps left. Slowly add in the cornstarch while mixing. Slowly pour it out onto a table with cornstarch. Knead the dough in your hands until it becomes soft and it starts to stick together. Place the dough back into the bowl. Pinch small pieces of the dough, roll them in your hands until they become smooth, and we're going to place it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Use a fork to create lines in the top of the cookies. Bake these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Our 3-ingredient Magic Meltdown cookies are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.